Good morning. How are you? Happy Monday. It's the last day for the month of May. And it's Minnie here from Brampton, Ontario, bringing you a Monday morning live update as usual. Today we're going to look at the market stats of what has happened in the past 7 days in the market up until last night. So just give me one moment. All right, good. So I didn't get a chance today to do my post as I would normally do in the morning. So just give me 1 second. We've got homeschooling going on. One moment. All right, sorry about that. I'm back again. So I hope you guys had a really good weekend and had some time to spend with the family. I've had a good weekend myself, and I was up in Barrie this weekend. I apologize, I didn't get a chance to post and publish the market update session for today because I also had a long night last night, but I made it to the market update. So let's start with the region of Peel. Region of Peel has 3 cities, as I've been saying. It's Mississauga, Brampton, and Caledon. And we're going to start off with Mississauga. We're going to start off with Brampton. And we're looking at the city of Brampton. Right now, active properties in the city of Brampton is 1,008 properties to choose from. Sold for the month so far. So the entire month, today is the last day of May. We're looking at 1,108 properties that were sold, and sold for the year so far, 5,905 properties. We're looking at the average price point just around $1 million. So an average price around just around $1 million, but again, this is an average. So we are seeing properties sold around the 800 and something price point to an average price point of about $1 million. Now let's look out of the 1,008 properties that are on the market. What categories of those properties are available if you're a buyer that's looking to purchase in the region of Peel in the city of Brampton? So let's take a quick look. Okay, now, my screen is freezing. All right, here we go. So out of that 1,008 properties, we have 138 townhouses available, 67 condo apartments, 96 condo townhouses, 6 detached properties, 546, linked properties, 4, semi-detached, 151. Now we're looking, that brings us to a total of 1,008 properties to choose from as a buyer. Where townhouses are trending in and around 800,000, average of around 816,000 as our townhouse cost. Our condos are going for 493 to 503. That's your average cost. Our condo townhouses is anywhere in the mid 600s, so 662, 664 for your condo townhouses. Detached condos, we're looking at a price point anywhere from 830 to 912 as your average cost. Detached properties, 1.2, around 1.2 price point. And link property, those are linked from by the garage. Those properties are going, and there are 4 available, so they're anywhere between the 900s to around 916 as your average price, and semi-detached trending close to the 900, 890 price point in the city of Brampton. Okay, so let's take a quick look and let's say good morning to a few of you who are joining. Thanks, Vikram. Good morning to you too. I hope you're doing well. If you're joining now, drop a comment in the comment section below. I appreciate it. If you're looking at this video after the fact, still drop a comment. Let me know if you find it valuable. A thumbs up would be greatly appreciated, or a smiley face, something to let me know that you know who my viewers are or what city actually you're joining from. So let's move on to Mississauga. Let's see what's happening in Mississauga. So in Mississauga right now, we have 184 properties. Hang tight. Minnie speaking. I'm good. Yourself? for a while? Okay. Okay, so it is. So one moment, okay. Can you give me 2-3 minutes? I'm coming. Thanks. Okay, bye. Okay, bye. Okay, sorry about that, guys. I've just got an installation happening and it's in the middle of my market update. Innisfil, all right. Hello to you all the way from Innisfil. Love it. So I'll be heading up to Innisfil actually, I think in the first week of July, if I'm not mistaken. So great, Innisfil. So let's look at, one second. Let's look at the market stat for Mississauga. So we're looking at 1,084 properties available in Mississauga as we speak today. Sold for the month 1,015. Sold for the year so far 5,318. And we're looking at your average price point to be just over $1 million, in the mid $1,062,000 as your average price point. Now, if we are to break down to see what categories of properties are available out of those 1,008, we're looking at 1,084. We're looking at 27 townhouses are available in Mississauga, and 27 townhouses are available in Mississauga. Corporate apartments, 2 condo apartments, 383. We're seeing a high inventory of condos that are available in Mississauga. Condo townhouses, 182. Detached condos, 2. Detached properties, 368. Linked properties, 3. And semi-detached, 117. Now, when we're looking at the average price point, here's what's happening. We're seeing townhouses in Mississauga selling for the mid 900s, so 946, 953,000. That's what they're going for. Co-op apartment, 390,000 as your average. Condo apartment, 565,000 as your average. Condo townhouses, mid 700s, 767, 753. That's what your average is coming back at. Detached condos, we're looking at 850 and some lower as well. And detached properties, just around your 1.5 million average price point for detached properties in Mississauga. Linked properties, again, linked from the garage, we're looking at just over $1,030,000, and semi-detached trending in the high 900s. And that's what you can get in the city of Mississauga for, you know, those types of properties and those categories, okay? Hi, Michelle, good morning. I have to call you, as you can see. So probably touch base a little bit. Good morning to you too. Drop a comment, let us know which city you're joining from. I think Etobicoke, right? Let's look at Caledon. So Caledon, we've got 185 properties on the market. Sold for the month so far, 124. Sold for the year, 641. And we're looking at an average price point of about 1.4 million in the city of Caledon. And if we were to break down quickly, if you're a buyer looking in Caledon right now, you have 18 townhouses to choose from, 155 condos, 2 condo townhouse, 2 condo apartments. And your townhouses in Caledon is, you can get, the average price point is around the 890, 870 price point for your townhouses in Caledon, which is not bad considering the price point that is happening. So pretty good in terms of what the market is saying right now. Condo apartment, 874, anywhere between the mid 700s to the 800, mid 800. We're looking at condo apartment, which is quite high in the city of Caledon. Condo townhouses, your mid 700s. Detached condos, anywhere between 1.3 to 1.4. Linked properties around 885 as your average price point, and semi-detached trending just below just around 900, your lower nines to your higher nines. So there could be a 50,000 range gap there for your semi-detached. And obviously it's got to do with size and age and square footage size, a number of beds, bath, things like that. So Michelle's joining from Toronto. Vikram is asking a question. What does the stress test 5% mean to go up in June? First. So I'm going to do a more extended video on this, but to answer that question, Vikram, it's actually 5.25%, and it's now applied to also people that are putting 20% down. So let's say, for example, you were purchasing a home and you were putting 20% down. Your qualifying rate that you would be that they would use to calculate how much you are approved for was below the 5.25% mark. So just to give you an example, let's say you have 20% down and you are qualified for 900,000 purchase. With this here, with 5.25% being now applicable to those who are also putting 20% down, they're going to be qualified for less. So 820 as an example. I'm going to be doing a more extended video to answer that particular question using very precise examples, very exact qualifiers. If you were making this much money, how much could you qualify for before the 5.25, and how much you can qualify for now that the 5.25 is applied on people who have 20% down. It's targeting investors. A lot of investors are putting 20% down. First-time home buyers are not able to get their foot in the door with their 5-10% down, and they're driving the price up in the market because the stress test was the different rate. You're welcome, Vikram, but I'll do that, and be sure to watch it. Talk to you soon again. I've got installers downstairs doing something, so I've got to head down. Talk to you soon again. If you're looking at this video after the fact, please drop a comment in what city you're joining from. I'd greatly appreciate it. Thank you all so much for your support throughout these years. And always remember to have an attitude of gratitude. Take care. Bye-bye for now.